mine. Whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip. Get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy, Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video, and I'm here with
Joso Plays.
Joso is in the building today. And obviously, since we're sitting, the address is on there.
Oh, it is.
Obviously, since we're sitting in front of you today, we have a package to open. We already cut into it, but before we got...
I've already seen this, but this is just for you guys. This is like...
He's already seen them, but we was like, it's sneaker related, why not bring it to the channel? So you don't gotta take the stickers off. We just gonna take it right out. Go ahead and take it out of the box. We get straight into it. While he's opening that, taking it out of the box, if that big button down below is still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement, man. Subscribe to the channel. Now this is a special unboxing because this is
a Nike by you, by me.
By you, by him. This is his first. He's been on me for the longest time about wanting to create his own sneaker. So let me get this box out of the way. As you can see, comes in a white box.
I'm not showing you guys the front though.
Yeah, don't show him the front because you know the Nike by you comes with a picture. So
yeah.
I'll let Josiah go ahead and take it away. Show him the box first. Show him the box.
I know, I'm taking it out.
Oh, okay.
That is the box.
They can't see it way over there. You gotta put it in the camera. Don't act like you ain't never did this before.
That's a really cool box though.
That is a cool box. The white joint.
And like the way that that's it.
Alright, come on. Let's see what we got. We got some Nike paper. I ain't even gonna show the sneaker yet. As you may or may not know, the Nike by you paper comes like that. A bunch of different silhouettes, swooshes, and all of that. That's unnecessary right now. He's super excited about these.
These are my Nike by you, Nike Reacts 55s.
Talk about the sneaker a little bit. Those are fire. Let me get one. Okay. Let me hold one.
I'm gonna talk about like the.
I'll take it. You go ahead and talk about that.
Talk about what I was doing behind this. So originally I was trying to do all black with a little bit of red on it, and then since I already have a whole bunch of sneakers and I like that, my dad told me to switch it. So
you gotta, you know what I'm saying? You gotta switch it up. Everything can't look the same.
So then I switched up the sneaker because the one that I had didn't have a lot of colors. Then I saw this. I've never had a Nike React 55 before. I like this time. They're crazy. And then I saw all these colors. And I was like, this is it.
These are a go.
And then,
so what is your favorite? Like, there's a bunch of the colors on here. You got your Volt green. You got blue. You got
let's talk about the Volt.
Red sock liner. You got Volt outsole. What's your favorite color on this sneaker?
The Volt. I gotta be honest.
The Volt?
Yeah.
This is fire.
Behind what happened behind this is I had already done
They can't see it down there.
All of this, like the sock liner, the tongue, the blue, the back. So then I was like, this doesn't really pop. Not really. So then I was on to the laces, the swoosh, and
outsole.
Yeah, that's really nice. And then I was scrolling through the colors. It was at the very bottom, like this Volt color. It was at the very bottom, so I didn't know until I was scrolling through the colors. Then I saw the Volt. And I was like, oh my God.
Had to have it.
Yeah, so.
Yeah, that really, now, something that he hasn't even touched on, which he wanted to, how did you make this your own personal touch? Like, what did you add You got to get it close to the camera so they
I
can
know,
see.
Right there, the Joso ones. I don't know if you can see it. Right there on the tongue.
Hopefully that's showing up. But he personalized these joints and put Joso ones. This is his first creation. So the Joso ones went on the tongue, and obviously on the other side of the tongue, you got the Nike pinwheel all the way around in a circle, and then like I said, you got the Joso ones up there in the other corner of the tongue. These are dope, man. I'm really proud of them, man. The way these came out, like he said, that Volt Green makes it pop. This is his own creation, man. It wasn't no assistance from me. I just told him to switch it from. He has a lot of black and red sneakers. Those are his favorite colors. Red is his favorite colors. But like, you gotta switch it up, son. You gotta, make your, when you walk through the hallways of school in these joints, you breaking necks. You breaking necks in these joints. So you got the Volt Green laces, the Volt Green swoosh on the back here, and obviously the Volt Green outsole, Volt and black outsole, crazy. And then you just got the little bit of blue on the back for contrast. And they're obviously very comfortable. Maybe we'll throw a little on foot in. You want to do it on foot?
That would be cool.
You know what I'm saying? So stay tuned to the end of the video, man. I appreciate y'all watching another one of my videos. If y'all want to stick around for a few more seconds, these going on feet. Ovi!